Great makeup starts with great skin. Your natural beauty is the foundation for every look you create. Think of your face as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed. The smoother and healthier your skin, the better your makeup will look and feel. Before you even reach for foundation or concealer, focus on skincare. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. These steps are essential for a flawless finish. Begin with a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type to remove dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup from the day before. Pat your face dry, never rub, to avoid irritation and keep your skin calm and happy. Next, hydrate. Every skin type needs moisturizer, even oily or acne-prone skin. Hydration helps balance your skin and prevents excess oil production. A lightweight moisturizer smooths and preps your skin for makeup, creating a soft, even surface. Apply it with gentle, upward strokes over your face and neck, encouraging circulation and a natural glow. Don't forget sunscreen, your best defense against premature aging, sunburn, and dark spots. Sun protection is a must, no matter your age or skin tone. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, every single day, rain or shine, indoors or out. Many moisturizers now include SPF, making daily protection simple and convenient. Always apply sunscreen as the last step in your skincare routine, right before you start your makeup. Healthy, protected skin means you'll need less makeup for a radiant, natural look that glows from within. This simple routine is the foundation for effortless beauty, helping your makeup apply smoothly and last all day. Just invest a few minutes in skincare each morning, and you'll notice a big difference in how your makeup looks and feels. Remember, a fresh, hydrated face is always in style, and it's the best base for any makeup look. Your skin is your best accessory. Treat it well, and it will reward you with confidence and radiance every day. Now let's move on to creating a flawless base and see how your beautiful skin makes all the difference. With your skin prepped and hydrated, you've already set the stage for a beautiful, long-lasting base. Now, it's time to even out your complexion and create a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. Instead of reaching for a heavy foundation, opt for a tinted moisturizer, BB, or CC cream. These lighter formulas give you a natural, radiant look that feels weightless on your skin. They help even out your skin tone, blur minor imperfections, and let your real skin shine through, so you look fresh and healthy. To find your perfect shade, always test the product along your jawline in natural daylight. This ensures the color matches both your face and neck. The right color should disappear seamlessly, blending from your face down to your neck without any harsh lines. Start by applying a small amount with your fingers, dotting the product at the center of your face and blending outward for the most natural effect. Focus on areas where you have redness, unevenness, or any spots you want to tone down. Remember, less is more. Build up coverage only where you need it. For an extra seamless blend, use a damp sponge to gently press the product into your skin for a sheer, dewy finish. Or, if you prefer a bit more coverage, a brush can help you build up the product while still keeping it light. The goal is a thin, even layer that perfects your skin without hiding its natural beauty or texture. Don't hesitate to ask for samples at the store so you can test different shades and formulas before committing. Remember, the best foundation lets your skin look like skin, just a little more polished, glowing, and confident. A flawless base is about enhancing your natural features, not hiding them away. Keep your base light, comfortable, and breathable, so you feel great all day long. Now, let's move on and target any remaining imperfections with a touch of concealer for a truly flawless finish. Concealer is your secret weapon when it comes to achieving a flawless, natural-looking complexion. It's the little magic wand in your makeup bag that can instantly brighten, correct, and perfect your skin without looking heavy or overdone. With just a few strategic dabs, you can transform a tired face into one that looks fresh, awake, and full of life. Use concealer only where you truly need it. Under your eyes to disguise dark circles, on blemishes, or to neutralize areas of redness. This targeted approach keeps your skin looking real and not masked. For under eye circles, choose a concealer that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This helps to brighten and lift the area, making you look more awake and refreshed. Dot the concealer on the inner corners and the darkest parts of your under eye area. Then gently tap with your ring finger to blend. The warmth of your finger helps melt the product seamlessly into your skin. For blemishes or spots, always use a concealer that matches your foundation exactly. This ensures the coverage looks invisible and natural. Dab a tiny amount directly onto the spot, then feather out the edges with a gentle touch for a seamless blend that disappears into your skin. Avoid rubbing or dragging the product. Just tap and blend softly until the concealer melts into your skin and the edges are undetectable. For extra precision, especially on tiny spots or around the nose, use a small brush or a pointed sponge to apply and blend the concealer exactly where you need it. Remember, the key is targeted correction, not over-application. Less is more for a natural finish. Let your natural skin shine through everywhere else, embracing your unique features and texture. Concealer should enhance your base makeup, not cover it up. It's all about subtle enhancement, not hiding your skin. With just a few well-placed dabs, you'll look rested, radiant, and ready to take on the day with confidence. Set your makeup with a light touch of powder, only where you need it. Choose a translucent, finely milled powder to avoid adding color or heaviness. Use a fluffy brush, tap off excess, and gently press powder onto your T-zone or under eyes. Skip powder on dry areas to keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. The goal is to control shine, not create a flat, matte finish. Less is more. Focus on longevity, not coverage. If your skin is dry, you can skip powder or use just a hint in the center of your face. Modern makeup is about letting your skin's natural glow shine through. Now, let's brighten your eyes for a wide-awake look. Enhance your eyes with soft, neutral shades for a fresh, everyday look. Sweep a light matte or satin shadow over your lids to even out tone and brighten. Add a slightly deeper shade in the crease for subtle definition. Blend well for a seamless transition. Stick to browns, taupes, or muted pinks for a universally flattering effect. Finish with 1 or 2 coats of mascara to open up your eyes. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes, then sweep upward for natural volume. Brown mascara looks especially soft and natural on fair features. Skip eyeliner for a more effortless vibe. Optional, a light coat of mascara on lower lashes for balance. Simple eye makeup makes you look awake and polished in minutes. Blush brings instant life and color to your face. Choose a shade that mimics your natural flush, soft pink, peach, or coral. Cream or liquid blushes melt into skin for a dewy, believable finish. Smile and dab blush onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend in soft circles outward and slightly upward. Start with a small amount and build up gradually for a subtle glow. Powder blush works too. Just pick a matte or satin finish. The key is seamless blending, no harsh lines. Blush should look like it's coming from within, not sitting on top. A touch of color makes you look healthy and refreshed. Now let's finish with lips and lasting power. Complete your look with a hint of color and moisture for your lips. Opt for a tinted balm, sheer lipstick, or light gloss. Easy to apply and comfortable all day. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color for a my lips but better effect. These products keep lips soft and add a healthy sheen without fuss. For touch-ups, carry blotting papers to absorb shine without caking on powder. A quick spritz of facial mist can refresh your makeup and hydrate your skin. This routine is about enhancing your natural beauty, not covering it up. You don't need a lot of products or time to look and feel your best. Confidence is your best accessory. Let it shine through. Embrace simplicity and enjoy being beautifully, authentically you.